Hey everybody! Today we're going to work on the Rebel. We're going to tighten up the chain, and I think one of the other things I'd like to do today is a car wash, an oil change on my wife's car, and I'd also like to try and play around with the stick welder. This video is going to be all over the place, so sit back and relax and enjoy and pick your favorite part. We'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, right before I pulled it up here, I put the springs back on, so now you can see they're looking nice and black. So let's get to loosening up the axle nut right there, and we'll start adjusting this stuff. Hang on. All right, guys. So we're gonna take our croissant wrench and get it in there. Come on. Ooh, honeymoon fit. One night only. That's pretty loose. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, I think they said these adjusters are 17, or the lock nuts, and they are. So theoretically, okay. There we go. The other side. There we go. Okay, now we need an Allen. Yep, 5mm. All right. So I need a 17mm. Do I have a 17mm wrench? Let's see. No, I do not. But I do have another croissant wrench, I believe. Okay. Oh yeah, it's loose. There we go. Okay. All right, other side. Yeah, I like this adjustment better than on the Grom, where it just has the two double nuts. This is much better. It's, you know, you're not going to end up stripping it out. So now they're loose. So all we're going to do now is we'll turn them in. I think they want 30mm of play, and I think I have definitely more than that. So we'll go around to this side and we'll get a close up on the chain, and we'll start tightening it up. Hang on. All right, so 30mm is like 1.25 inches. We are. Let me go a little further down here. Come on. Kind of like right there. Oh yeah, we got like 2.25 inches. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do half turns. I'll do like 2 half turns here, and then we'll go over there and do 2 half turns. So tightening the inner bolt clockwise should pull this back, I believe. So here's 1 half turn. Oh. 2 half turns. Then we'll just rinse and repeat on the other side. Half. Half. Yeah, it's a scorcher out here, guys. Thankfully, it's a little cooler at Uncle Billy's house, but it's still hot. It's better in the shade. Okay. All right, so yeah, that's it. Seems pretty good. It seems like it did before. This chain really looks good now that we cleaned it. I got some more of that muck off. I'll leave a link in the description to that. But we'll start this thing up, and I'll take a ride around, and this project's done. Hang on.
Hey everybody, if you're enjoying the video content Iceman50 is presenting, I urge you to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Thanks. What? Watch the video.
Oh yeah, guys, one more thing. Don't forget to tighten your axle. I was like, I'm forgetting something. Got the all 16s. There we go. Nice. Oh, it feels good. I can't hear the chain slapping anymore. I am hearing something else. What it is, I don't know. It was just some light rattling. I think it's the exhaust. Anyways, that's it for this project. On to the next one. So we'll see you later. Easy. All right, guys. So we're back. We got the my wife's 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This has got the 3.6 liter Pentastar, and this takes those canister type oil filters that go on the top here. This is the first oil change for this one, and we're gonna show you where the canister is. It's pretty much the same from like 21, 22 up to 24, I guess. So let's dig in and we'll show you where the filter is. All right, guys. So here's the oil fill. You can see it right there. That's the oil filter. It's got the they said 15/16 and an extension. We'll get in there. You can see it, and it just comes right out. And then there's a little trap door, supposedly. There's a trap door under here somewheres. Exactly nowhere. I think it's a little farther forwards. I'll see if we can get under there. We'll show you.
Alright. There we go. That's the little scrape plate or oil change area there. You got the two bolts.
One's a 10, one's a 13.
Yeah, I think that's a 10 and I think that one's a 13.
And then the what you call it, the drain plug is a 13.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
There you go. It's not that far in there. It's about like 2 feet under, from the front. It's basically in the middle of the engine there. Makes sense.
Ah, now I can see it. I'm laying in the dirt. Dang, it's keep unscrewing.
There we go.
There you go. And now I can see nothing. That's all right. The drain plug's right in there, right? You can see it. Come on, be a man.
Well, what the hell, Dodge? Why? I mean, that can't be it then, right? There ain't no way. That's torque to like 10,000 spec right there.
Come on. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Wow.
All right.
Wow, that was tight. That's what she said. That's what he said.
Brother,
And it's gone. It's gonna be in the bottom of the pan. Yep, it's in the bottom of the pan. Well, he fish it out. Nice. All right.
A little warm.
Yeah, a little varm. All right, well, let's let it drain and we'll come back and then we'll show you from the top. What do you think? You see any sparkles?
Here, Jiffy Lube. Yeah, this engine needs to be completely redone.
Does it look good?
Oh yeah, that's good.
All right. What are you gonna? You're gonna have to clean that.
I got rags. I do.
You're wearing one.
Oh.
I got some paper towels.
No. All right. We got our. We really almost need something to stand on. I wish we had something to stand on.
Got the ladder.
Yeah.
I mean, if we put the ladder there, you can step up a rung. That would make a big difference.
Yeah, he can get it, right?
Yeah, that's not bad.
He's all right. Okay, cool.
No, this wasn't torqued to 10,000.
Yeah. Nice. Remember to you guys make sure that you look and make sure that the O-ring came with it or whatever, you know. It should be on this cap that he's pulling out.
Yeah, right about there.
Oh, there it is. Okay. How does that look? You see anything? This is the first oil change ever for this car. So you got to kind of wiggle it. Yeah, there you go. Hey. Come on. It kind of snaps in there, so you got to kind of pull at the same time. There you go.
Looks like a used filter.
Looks all right. No sparkles. Smells a little gassy.
I was gonna say it does smell kind of gassy, doesn't it?
That's all right. Well, it's combustion.
Yeah.
So, all right. So we'll get this O-ring off. We've got a new one that came. They come with the filter. Make sure that you look in the box because I mean you can use the old one, but why when you got a new one?
Ford. Products in my Jeep. Kind of blasphemous, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess right. That's what the new one looks like. Oh, we got a red. Oh, this is gonna work better. It's gonna go faster.
Nice.
It's a red gasket. Nice.
Nice. Because Ford.
Because Ford. All right. So then you just gotta get the old one off of there. Let's change the. Here, you need a knife. All right, you gonna get it with your finger?
I think. We'll try.
Oh, he got it. He got it. That's a good thing. You know, it's a different color. Then you know you put it on.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. There you go. And then, yeah, get some oil on that thing once we get it on. There you go. Nice. I don't know. Most of the time I just used the used oil.
Yeah.
But,
I guess so.
you know, we don't have any right here. Unless you got some in the cup. There you go. Scoop in there. There you go. There you go. All right. Pop. It's locked in there. Nice. Okay. And all you got to do is push it down now. Does this? Remember the last ones? Does this like make like a popping sound? Like, does it click in, or do we hear it, or does it just push in? I don't remember.
All the above, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. First shot getting it in.
Oh. Wow. All right. All right. So, are we still gonna let this drain for a little bit? Is it still dripping?
No, feels done.
All right. So you're just gonna get the what you call it back in there, drain plug. Then we fill her up.
Oil was spilled here.
Yeah. Your girlfriend's gonna be mad. How dare you?
How dare you?
Greta. She got deported.
We'll never find out, I guess. We got the power editing.
Yes.
You're not gonna have that.
No. No. Good?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright. Oh, man. Laying in the actual dirt. I hate laying in the dirt.
Sorry we had to, but we don't need it.
Yeah. Oil going in, Bay 1. Oh, I forgot. It's just me here. So they said 5 quarts. We watched a video. That's why I always get 6. It was like maybe 5.5. We'll check it on the dipstick once we put in 5 quarts. See where it's at. Oh wow, that filter's funnel's like clear.
Yeah,
I like that. I didn't realize that. That's actually nice. You can see the actual oil. Look at that. Look at that.
I got that in advance.
Oh, you got that advanced auto?
Yep.
Nice. I mean, I don't know if I've ever seen a clear funnel before. I've never seen one. That's a
Genius idea.
genius. No, pour whatever. This is 5 quarts. Pour that in, and then
Oh, you get the 6 funnel there?
yeah, there should be. I hope so.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
God, don't scare me.
I thought for some reason it was 6 quarts.
Yeah. Then we can go ahead and
Pour the old oil back in the pot.
pour the old oil back into the engine with the new oil.
Yeah.
It's like,
See right away if you need to pour the oil.
yeah, exactly. Well, I figure, we'll go ahead and start it up, reset it, and then let it run a minute. It'll be fine with 5 for a second, right? Check the oil pressure, and then we can add in what else is necessary.
Oil life, okay, hit okay for reset.
There we go. That's it, right?
Yeah, that looks like it's it.
Okay. And then find oil pressure. Go through the menu until you find oil pressure. Where'd it go? Oh, there we go. 33, 31. They said what? How many PSI? 30 to 34 was normal. 33 was normal.
I think so, something like that.
Yeah.
We got pressure, so that's good.
All right. Perfect. You saw it come right up. That was good. What's it say, doctor? Chad, are we cooked? Dang. What do you think? Is it even to the...
I'm not seeing even any hash mark there.
Here's the hash mark.
Yeah, but look, the only oil I see is right here.
No, I know.
We'll try it again.
Uh,
I mean, unless you want to put just a little something of the other.
let's put like half of the other quart in.
That, or I mean, we could drive it just down the road there.
All right. Well, yeah. Let's move it, and we'll get a better reading. Maybe pour in just about half, and we'll check it again. You just leave it. Just leave it right there.
Yeah.
Right, and then we'll just check the dipstick again. There we go. Oh shit. Oh, it almost looked like it was right up at the top of the hatch. Really? The question is how much is that? How much oil is the hash? I always thought it was a quart.
Yeah. Maybe it's still kind of at an incline. I don't know. Well, I see oil.
It's like right up. It's right up by the hash mark, isn't it? Or is it? Yeah.
It looks about.
It's like it's right up there. All right. Well.
I mean, we still have a little bit left there. Keep in the car.
Yep. That's exactly what I would do.
You check it when you get home.
Yep.
Drive it home.
Check it.
Sit until tomorrow and check it tomorrow when it's had a chance to fully settle.
Yep. All right. Hang on a second. All right, guys. So that's it. Pretty simple. They make these pretty easy nowadays, and this thing's got decent ground clearance, so you don't even need to jack it up or anything. I think the last thing we might do today is might play around with my welder. I don't know. We'll see. If not, we'll see you guys on the next one. All right? Easy.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, do all that. We'll see you guys. Jesus Christ. Hoping he wouldn't start his truck, and I'm like, okay, no, we look good to go now, and then it starts. Yeah, everything's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Oh, I hate that. You can't stop laughing. Yeah. All right. Dude. God damn it. Oh. All right. This is so bad. There we go. I was like, what the hell is that?
That's a little, Duggus.
I see.
I mean,
Brother.
Seriously?
what? Oh, okay, yeah, bring Superman over here.
Wet cardboard.
Just go.
Hey, I did that earlier with the.
I know you weakened it for me, right?
Yeah, that's what I did.
What'd you say? What'd you say to me? That's my bike.
I was gonna say it's my bike. It's your bike.
I can use it as a workbench.
Poor challenger.
Yeah.
I'll send you a bill for the oil cleanup on my plywood there.
Oh, I got you. Yeah,
What the?
yeah. We'll get that settled real quick and fast.
Yeah.